Hey guys, what are we doing today?
Using the Stomp rocket. Yeah.
And how did we get the Stomp rocket?
So, first you have this little black thing, right? Yeah. And you go down, down right here. And then, first you have a rocket. You slide the rocket on here. So, when you press this, the air goes through here and it hits the top, and then the rocket goes if you hit it hard enough. So today we're learning about the Stomp rocket.
So how did we make it?
With our 3D printer.
Nice. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it. I need to get this stomping thing.
Oh, it was landed by Carson.
Here.
That's cool. Okay, see how high you can make it go, Trace.
Okay. With all my strength.
Okay.
And then you go like
Okay,
that.
let me get ready. Oh, here, do it again. I'll put it on.
Can you put on slow-mo?
It's Carson's turn to do it. So go ahead, Carson, fire away. Yeah! Nice!
One. Actually, that's plastic.
You ready, Carson?
I'm recording.
Okay, when I fire it, Trace is gonna try to catch it, okay? I'm gonna go really high, so you follow the rocket with the camera. Ready?
Whoa.
Thumb. So I will try to do it without hitting my thumb. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Ready,
Yeah.
Carson?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready, Trace?
Yeah.
Okay, how was the Stomp rocket?
Good.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Okay, what do we need more of?
Rockets.
More rockets?
Yeah.
And what can we do to improve it?
Make it bigger.
Make it bigger? All right.
And hit it more.
And hit it more. Yeah. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Thanks, Scout. All right. Want to say bye to everybody?
Yeah. Bye.
You gonna wave?
Say, let's Scout say bye.
Bye, Scout.
Bye, Scout.
Okay. All right. Bye, Carson. Bye, Trace.
Bye.
See you next time.